Hello guys, my name is Zani and today I'm going to talk about some basic commands of Unix or Linux. Before talking about some basic commands, let me introduce you some basic terms. I think it helps you. Okay, first, command prompt. What is command prompt? Command prompt is referring to this line starting from here to here, and if at the end of the command prompt there be a pound sign like this, meaning the user has logged into the system based on the administrative privilege, and if at the end of the command prompt there be a dollar sign, meaning the user has logged into the system based on the non-administrative privilege. Okay, the second concept or second term I'm going to discuss is shell. What is that? Shell is actually referring to this interface or this command interface, or in other words, shell is a program that takes the user command and passes it to the operating system of the Linux. Okay, the third term maybe is to remind you the difference between the directory and file. Okay, as you know, directory is the same as the folder which is used in the PC. File, I think all you guys know, file is used in different format. For example, file in Word format, file in Excel format, and so forth. Alright, now let's talk about some commands, some basic commands. Okay, at the first I'm going to talk about man command. What does it do? Man command is just to show some basic information about any program coming after the man. For example, I'm going to have some basic information or some basic description about ls. Okay, just type it and enter. See the name of ls and signups and description. Alright, the second command I'm going to talk about is info. What does it do? It just gives some information about any program coming after the info. For example, I'm going to have some information about the pwd. See, type it and enter. It stands for print working directory, right? Okay, the third command I'm going to discuss about ls, which stands for list. Type it and enter. It just displays out or lists out the number of directory you have in your system. See, I have 7 directory, which is default directory. If you are going to have more information about this directory, just type ls minus l. See, beside the name of the directory, there it gives you this information too. What does it do? It's actually, let me talk about this concept. Is important, I think. Okay, see at the beginning all J. What does it mean? It means all of them are directory. Okay, the second one, it means any file or any directory in Linux or Linux. There are three type of users. Okay, first U, which is stands for user or owner of the file. Second, group user, and third is other user. Okay. Okay, for example, let's take an example for the desktop. It means the desktop directory, a user owner of the desktop directory can read, can write, and can execute. And for the group user of the desktop directory can read but cannot write, and also can execute. The third one, which is which refers to O, also is the same with the second one. Okay. Okay, the fifth command I'm going to talk about is how to create a file. How to create a file in the Unix or Linux system. When you are going to create a file, we just write the touch command, and then give any name for your file. For example, name file. Alright, see, you have created this file right now. Okay, how to remove this file? Remove this file, just type rm minus r and then the name of the file you are going to remove it. See, here ask it remove regular empty files, new file. If yes, why? Okay, right now I have removed that file. Okay, the next thing I'm going to talk about is how to create a directory. Remember, Right now I'm going to talk about directory before I have talked about the file. Okay, in order to create a directory, just create make directory, the name of directory. Okay, and then see I have created this directory right now. And how to remove the directory? In order to remove directory, just type rm directory, the name of that directory. Okay, see right now I have removed that directory. Alright, the next command I'm going to talk about is how to move one file or one directory into another file or directory. Before that, let me create a new file. For example, new file 1. Okay, new file 2. See, I have created these two files right now. I'm going to move new file 1 inside to new file 2. In order to do that, we need to write move new file 1 and then new file 2. See, it ask it over. Do you want to overwrite? Yes. Okay. See, there is no new file 1 because I have moved the file 1 inside the new file 2. Okay. And the next thing I'm going to talk about copying a file or folder directory into another file or directory. Before doing that, let me check the content of this directory, public directory. See, I don't have anything inside the public directory. Right now I'm going to copy the file, new file 2 inside the public directory. Okay, in order to copy it, just type cp and then new file 2 and then public. See, in order to see the content of the public right now, just type public. See, I have copied the new file 2 inside the public directory. Okay, and the last thing maybe I'm going to talk about how to search how to search some file or directory with portion of its name. For example, let me create a new file. Okay, I'm going to search with the new meaning any file any file starting with the new should be printed out. See, I have two files starting with the new. Okay, I think that's it, and hopefully you got something, and have a nice day. Bye bye.